Okay, this will be part two. So what we do today is we're going to go around the perimeter and take out all these staples. They're everywhere. They've got to come out so I can see the what the wall looks like, and you can see there's the old membrane has been stapled in. So that's what we're doing today. I took this off yesterday. And I've got the serial number of this part. It's 20 bucks more if I buy the Dometic rather than just buy a generic one off of Amazon. So we'll be doing this later. But I've saved every screw and try to save all the staples. Most of them are rusted. So we've got a variety of tools here to pull these out. So let's get cracking. Well, as you can see, they weren't shy with the staples. Thousands of them. Got a lot of mice that were inside this insulation, and all that's going to be replaced. And what I'll do in areas like this where this is rotten, you can see it, I'm going to take some of this stuff here. Rather than buy a pre-cut, I'll just go to the hardware store, Lowe's, and I'll get 2x4s. And I've got a good table saw, and so I'll just rip the stock down to what I need. That'll save some money. And then the rains came. Just in time. Forecast is a day early. It's hard to tell with all the smoke in the air, but we got this covered up, so we'll have to resume here in another day or two. Yeah, it's just starting to rain. I got it strapped down now, and I got big rocks up on there, so that should hold it. All right, well, here we are. The rain stopped. I got the tarp off. And I got all the edges unstapled here, and I think this is about the worst of it right here. This whole roof truss, it's all shot. So to do it right, windows got to come out. Today I'm going to concentrate on taking all the domes off and the air conditioner, and we'll go from there, and then peeling off this. But I definitely have to fix all this stuff that's rotten. So let's get on with it. Okay, we got that one off over there without too much trouble. Cut a few branches. Yeah, I saw some guy online there with this little fancy tool to get this mastic off. Here's all you need is this. I'm doing this one-handed, let's keep in mind. Okay, you get in there. There's the head. Next one. It's hard to do with, there we go, with just one hand. But there you go. Do that all the way around. No fancy tools. Then we use our drill. I got a 1/4 inch on there. I would say get a couple of those 1/4 inch sockets. What happens is these screws aren't exactly straight, and it's really hard to tell. So you'll be moving it back and forth, and it tends to round this out a little bit. But this is great for taking out your staples. It gets right behind your staples. Then you get a pair of these dikes here, and you wiggle that staple out. A lot of them are rotted, but yeah, no fancy tools needed here. All you got to do is get in there with a screwdriver. And again, I'm doing this with one hand, so yeah, all these come up real easy and exposes the heads, and yeah, that's all you got to do. All right, there's the other roof vent. I've taken off a few more. That big one's off right there, but here's what I found. There's no reason to peel off this mastic. I'm replacing this whole roof, so what we'll do is we'll just take the razor knife here, cut it off, cut me a nice square. Don't have to be perfect, the whole thing's coming off, and then well, can't do it with one hand, but let's see if we can do it with the trusty screwdriver. Well, you can see she's coming up. It might be, yeah, it's connected in downstairs, or down inside, so I'm going to have to go disconnect that. Okay, we came down in here, and this was up in here. What we had was the handle had an Allen set screw in it, and it obviously wasn't allowing this to pull out the top. Let's go up here and we'll give it a shake and see what we got going. Should come out now. Well, there you go. What do you know? I'm replacing all this coax. But there you go, another one off. Got the AC unit and a couple more of these and some spouts, and we should be done with this. Taking this stuff off anyway. All right, to get the AC unit out, looks pretty simple. There was a plug in here, and then I had, this looks like 14 gauge wire come in, and it came in the side here, and I just cut it off right here. I got plenty I can use. There was one screw, and then holding this up were these long bolts here. They just screwed up inside of here, right up in here. You can see I got, that's it. I'm pushing up on this thing, and that's it for the air conditioner. So that'll be pretty easy. All right, well that was it. Just those 4 long bolts holding this AC unit on. So yeah, came off real well. Now we'll get her down the ladder and get her off the roof. All right, so after a couple days, I'm back up here. We had rainstorm, thunderstorms, and I had this all tarped off. So after tearing off some of this membrane, what I think happened here is, I'll get a picture of it a little bit later, but on this side of the trailer, you can see where there was a huge hailstorm. It severely dented that. Looks like a golf ball. And if you look up on here in some of these places, it's exactly what it looks like. Someone's taken a ball peen hammer all over this place. And I think it busted the membrane and allowed water in. Some places are worse than others. But I don't know if this was ever designed to be stood on. I guess I'll never know. I've got these pieces of wood going from one of the trusses to the other truss so that I can walk up here. But yeah, it's very flimsy. It's been stapled to heck. And what they've did to keep the staples from coming out, they've used this fiberglass tape. Same tape as you'd use in drywall. So that's probably the way I'm going to replace it. I'm going to probably go with something thicker. And we'll go from there. But today, Labor Day weekend, I'm going to just try to get the membrane off, and then probably a hardware store to get materials and start fixing on the walls and get on the roof. Well, if that hail was strong enough to make this look like a golf ball, well, I'm pretty sure it was strong enough to destroy that roof. So that's what we're dealing with. Only this side though, and the roof. So I'll probably leave this, but the roof's got to be replaced.